we are making paella today. I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding chicken, but for sure I will be putting seafood in it. If you're not familiar with paella, it's a Spanish rice from Valencia, I believe. Paella is like one of those things that my family normally makes during the holidays. Sometimes we put chicken, sometimes we put seafood. I've never made it before, so this is gonna be my first time, like I mentioned. I'm gonna be using my Salad Master electric skillet. This is my go-to pan for a lot of my meals, so if you don't have a Salad Master and you want to check it out, let me know in the comments and I'll do more videos about all my Salad Master pans. Okay, so now that my pan is heating, I'm gonna add my garlic, and then I'm gonna add my onions. Cut up my bell peppers. I'm using red and orange. So then we're gonna take this out. Okay, so we're gonna add our chicken. Chicken is all cooked. We're gonna add the veggies back. We're gonna add tomato paste. So we're gonna add chicken broth. This is